I want your names who attended, who joined now. I want your name who joined. Can you see? Is the voice not clear? I think you can hear now. Can you hear now? Okay. Okay, only one of you are there. Please tell your friends to join fast. Okay, here we need to find time. Speed is given and distance is given. The formula to find time, how we can find time now? Time is distance. So this formula you need to remember first. Speed is distance upon time. So time is distance upon speed. Here distance is 1.2 kilometer. So let's convert it into meter. 1.2 multiplied by 1000, kilometer to meter we are converting. So it's 1200 meter. Distance is 1200, speed is 15. If we divide them, 3 5s are, 3 4s are 12, 0, 0, 4 8s are. So this we got 80 seconds. Now the next question, a horse runs So I'm starting the questions which are not done. So here page number 36. I'm starting from there. 36 one. V36, K36. So here first question is the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. This is 6BR, or we can start out with the solution. Question number 7 of that page. Speed of the car changes its velocity from 108 kilometer per hour to 36 kilometer per hour in 4 seconds. We need to find acceleration. A stands for acceleration. Now, whatever the first given speed, that is called initial velocity, which we represent by u. Always we need to keep in mind that it should not be in kilometer per hour. To convert it into meter per second, we'll multiply 5 upon 18. So 108 multiplied by 5 upon 18. Thus it is 30 meter per second. And the next velocity is final velocity, which is given 36 kilometer per hour. Again, we'll convert it into meter per second. 36 multiplied by 5 upon 18. Thus it is 10 meter per second. Now we got two velocities. We need to find acceleration. This is in 4 seconds. Time is given 4 seconds. Acceleration formula is V minus U by T. Here V is 10, U is 30 upon T is 4. Thus 30 minus 10 minus 20 upon 4. So it is 5. So answer is 5 meter per second square. If we will write this in form of acceleration, we need to represent with negative sign. If the same thing we write in terms of deceleration or retardation, we can call it deceleration or retardation. In that sense, answer will be 5 meter per second square. Now the next question, a car is moving with uniform velocity of 72 km per hour for 15 seconds. So u is given 75 km per hour. Again, we'll convert it into meter per second. Thus it is 75 multiplied by 5 upon 18. On a national highway, its acceleration and the distance traveled, car is moving with uniform velocity is given. So when it is having uniform velocity, if they use this word uniform, it stands that there is no change in velocity. Uniform means there is no change in velocity. Thus, acceleration will be zero. We need not to solve for this kind of questions. So when we come across the options, here in option number 1, it is given 0 meter per second square, and then the option 2 is also given 0 meter per second square. Along with that, we need to find distance also. It traveled for 10 seconds. Time is given 10 seconds. Now, as we know, speed and time both, to calculate distance, distance is speed multiplied by time. So thus, acceleration we already got, distance, speed multiplied by time. Here the speed is 75 multiplied by 5 upon 18. We converted into 5 upon meter and then multiply by 10 as time is 10 seconds. Now cancel out it. By calculating all this value, you can get the distance. Now multiply 75 with 25 and whatever answer you are getting, divide it by 90. So that will be the distance traveled. Now let's start with next question. I want names who are attending. Sarath, are you there? Sarath? Okay, now let's start with the next question. Velocity of the car changes from 18 km to 72 km per hour in 30 seconds. Acceleration in kilometer per hour. We need to find what is acceleration. So here, starting initial velocity is given 18 km per hour and final velocity it's given 72 km per hour. Just now I told whenever the velocity is given in kilometer per hour, we need to convert it into meter per second. So here, converting it into meter per second, 18 multiplied by 5 upon 18. So this 18 got cancelled, 5 meter per second. For V, 72 multiplied by 5 upon 18. 18 4s are 72, thus it is 20 meter per second. So whenever they will ask to find out acceleration, what we need? The first one, what is its starting velocity, which is called initial velocity, which we represent by u. And what is its final velocity, which we represent by v. And acceleration is represented by a. We need time also. Time will be given in this case, and here the time is given 30 seconds. So we got 4 different things here. What is initial velocity, what is final velocity, what is time, and we need to find acceleration. Now after getting all the things, we need to put out the formula. Acceleration is v minus u upon t. Here v is 20, u is 5, whole divide by 30. So thus it is 15 upon 30, 1 by 2 meter per second. But in this question, they made little changes. They asked us to find out this in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So 1 by 2 meter is there. To convert meter to kilometer, we need to divide the thing by 1000 and seconds to hour will multiply 3600. Now zeros got cancelled. Thus answer is 1.8 kilometer per hour. Whenever we find acceleration, it will be meter per second square or kilometer per hour square. Now the next question. A car accelerates uniformly. So here, car accelerates uniformly. Its initial velocity is given 18 km per hour and final 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. So as I told, first we need to convert them into meter per second. So 18 multiplied by 5 upon 18, thus it is 5 meter per second. Second is 36 multiplied by 5 upon 18, 10 meter per second. And time interval is given 5 seconds. Now we need to apply formula. A is V minus U upon T. So here V is 10 minus 5 upon 5. Thus 5 by 5 is 1. So acceleration is 1 meter per second square. I want names who are attending the class. Please send me your names. Not getting your names. Now next question. The speeding car changes its velocity from 108 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 4 seconds. Find its declaration. Again we need to find A. So here, as I told, we need to convert first it into meter per second. 108 multiplied by 5 upon 18. So thus it is 30 meter per second. And the same way 36 multiplied by 5 upon 18, 10 meter per second. Now acceleration, it's V minus U by T. Here V is 10, U is 30, upon time is 4. Thus it is minus 20 by 4, which is minus 5 meter per second square. I told you, like whenever they will ask for retardation, we will get answer in negative. Retardation means the speed is getting reduced. Now what is the CGS unit of acceleration? Acceleration already you got. Like acceleration is speed upon time. So acceleration is speed by time. Thus its CGS unit is centimeter per second square, whereas its SI unit is meter per second square. You need to remember units also. Now the next question, a car increases its speed from 20 km per hour to 50 km per hour. Speed is increased from 20 to 50. As I told, the first one is U. So U is 20 km per hour and V is 50 km per hour in 10 seconds. Time is given 10 seconds. To find acceleration, first we need to convert them into meter per second. So multiply this by 5 upon 18. So it is 100 upon 18. And the same way 50 multiplied by 5 upon 18. So it's 125. 250 upon 18. Now formula of acceleration, v minus u by t. Here v is 250 minus 100. I considered LCM as 18 and time is 10 seconds. So it is 150 upon 18 multiplied by 10. Zeros got cancelled. 2 9s are 18. Oh, sorry, 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15. So it's 5 upon 6, which is equal to 0.83 meter per second square. Whenever we find acceleration, you need to keep in mind unit, which is meter per second square. Is it clear? Those are attending, are you able to understand what I'm explaining? Is it clear?